So we've been asking ourselves, what's the point of this channel? I mean, at face value, of course, this is our vlog, but our hope is that ultimately our adventures inspire you, not just to travel, but to venture beyond your comfort zone. Over the past few years, we've had the privilege of documenting the tremendous need for clean water in different countries, mostly in East Africa. A year ago, I was in Iringa, Tanzania. You can check out that video here. But earlier this month, I visited Nigeria for the very first time. The team I was with, we flew into Abuja and then drove up to Jos, Nigeria. It's in the north-central part of the country in Plateau State. A quick online search of the region and you'll see that lack of access to clean water isn't the only challenge that they have to face. This part of Nigeria has been rocked with violence, with thousands upon thousands of Nigerians displaced or killed in just the past decade. I am not going to pretend to understand or convey the depth of the problem, but I will attest to meeting many of the victims of the violence. Widows, orphans, and communities left trying to pick up the pieces.
They killed her husband, 4 of her children. Of all her children, I think there's only one that is surviving. All the others were killed within minutes.
The entire state is in more singling out people with old fears of violence.
A direct hit says hideout
Armed groups known locally as bandits are ravaging parts of northwest Nigeria with raids and kidnappings.
Turn on the news and it's hard to imagine what kind of difference we can make. But resources like clean water are vital to sustaining life for those affected by violence. The water sources for many of the communities are unclean. Water drawn for drinking or cooking comes from the same place where you find trash or roaming animals. And these new wells provide clean water that's free from waterborne diseases that are so common across the continent. Water not only brings health and vitality for communities, it opens up doors for jobs and education for girls, and even in some places, it brings peace. We saw Christians and Muslims formerly at odds with each other now laughing together at the sight of a shared and cherished water well.
And then he has good water, clean water, he drinks in the farm. No more typhoid fever, no more sickness for him.
Water changes everything. And as they say in Africa, water is life. Maybe you're not going to travel somewhere where the State Department advises you to reconsider, but you could easily hit up a different restaurant in your town, or if you're in a city, explore the rural parts of your region. Breaking out of our comfort zones might just help us discover ways we can contribute to making this world a better place to live, but also gaining a better understanding of the people we share it with.
I mean.